In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create a technical infographic for a technological device. So the tool that we're going to use is Novoads AI, and the link is going to be in the comments section. Once you arrive here, you need to create an account, and you will arrive here. Now, here we need to go to the image section. Here we need to go to settings, change the model to GPT Image 2, and the quality, I prefer to use the medium quality because it's very cheap. Now in images, I'm going to choose only one, and in reference, I'm going to upload my device. Now here, where it says describe your image, I'm going to use the following prompt, and now we have to click here. Perfect, now we have to wait more or less 1 minute. Perfect, here we have the result, and as you can see, the quality is really good. Personally, I like it a lot. So if you want to do an image like this one, the prompt is going to be in the comment section, and you can try Novoads AI for just $1. So I recommend you to try the platform, and if you have any doubts, you can comment me in the comment section, and see you in the next video.